welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am in Vrindavan and I will show you the beautiful temple of Banke Bihari Temple. So let's go inside with me and explore the beautiful temple with me. Vrindavan, the land of Lord Krishna, is at a distance of 15 kilometers away from Mathura. The meaning of Vrinda is Tulsi and Vrindavan means forest of Tulsi. The temple of Sri Banke Bihari Ji was established by Swami Haridas Ji in 1864 century. He was the teacher of famous singer Tansen. He had revealed the idol of Sri Banke Bihari Ji and Radha Rani Ji by singing melodious hymns in Nidhivan. Swami Haridas Ji used to adore Thakur Ji with flowers and leaves. He used to offer fruits as bhog, but it was not easy for him to do 16 adornments of Sri Radha Rani Ji. Therefore, he prayed to Sri Banke Bihari Ji that, "O Lord, please keep Sri Radha Rani Ji in yourself." Sri Bihari Ji accepted his prayer and kept Sri Radha Rani Ji within himself. That's why this form of them is called couple form, because both Banke Bihari Ji and Sri Radha Rani Ji are included in it. This is the reason that Radha Rani Ji's and Sri Banke Bihari Ji's makeup is being done together in this statue. Initially, Swami Haridas Ji lived in Nidhivan and used to worship Banke Bihari Ji there. Not every idol of Sri Krishna Ji is called Banke Bihari Ji. Only the idol which is bent from 3 places is called Banke Bihari Ji. This is very famous temple. Devotees from all over the world come here. After coming here, devotees feel very peaceful, and it is believed that Lord Krishna takes away every single sorrow of his devotees. While going to the temple, you have to be little careful from the monkeys. Keep your glasses, purse, and other valuable things safely with you, because here the monkeys are very naughty. The monkeys may take your stuff with them. Then you have to give them food of their choice. Only then they will return your goods back. On the way, you will find beautiful shops. You will be surprised to know that Mangla Aarti is not performed in this temple like other temples. Mangla Aarti means early morning prayer. There are 2 reasons for this. The first reason is that here Sri Krishna Ji is worshipped as a child, and Mangla Aarti is not performed here so that the child's sleep is not disturbed. The second reason is that once Sri Haridas Ji saw someone was sleeping on his bed from afar. He gave his voice, but he could not find any answer. When he reached there, he found some bangles and flute there. He understood that every night Lord Sri Krishna came in Nidhivan and performs Raslila with Radha Rani Ji. Since then, he decided that Mangla Aarti will not held of Lord Krishna Ji, because he sleeps late every night and morning is the rest time. That's why he is woken up comfortably. In this temple, Mangala Aarti is held only once in a year on the night of Janmashtami. Banke Bihari Ji's temple opens at 8 am in the summer and 9 am in the winter. Now we are going inside the temple. We have bought tulsi garland and lotus garland. You must have heard that Mathura's pedas are very famous. We also have bought some pedas to offer Banke Bihari Ji. A special feature of this temple is that during prayer time, bells and conch are not ringing, and also people do not clap. Because here Sri Krishna Ji is worshipped as a child. If we clap and ring bells and conch in front of a child, he will get scared. This is the reason people worship here peacefully. Wow, what a wonderful relationship between God and devotees. The way the devotees take care of God, similarly our Thakurji also takes care of his devotees. Here people see Banke Bihari Ji with open eyes. Curtains are put up here in short intervals. You couldn't see him continuously. Because our Banke Bihari Ji is very innocent, it is said that if his eyes are met for a long time with any of his devotee, then he go with him. Once the king and queen of Bharatpur came to Vrindavan for worship Banke Bihari Ji. The eyes of Banke Bihari Ji were met for a long time with the eyes of queen. He had gone with her. Then the king and queen of Bharatpur had to come to return the statue of Bihari Ji. The king of Bharatpur built a temple exactly like Bharatpur in Vrindavan, and he entrusted this work to his son Ratan Singh. Till then, the curtains are put on again and again while devotees do darshan of Banke Bihari Ji. The temple of Banke Bihari Ji is decorated with flowers in summer. In monsoon, a swing is put for Bihari Ji and Radha Rani Ji. Here Holi is played with colors. This temple can be seen in different forms during every festival. Various types of food are offered to Lord Krishna Ji. This temple has its unique identity in the whole world. You will find very peace here. Friends, this is very beautiful temple. You must come here once in your lifetime. Friends, I hope that all of you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.